Okay. Putting on the Simrad NSS7 EVO3. Presently, I'm running the Echo Sounder without the 3D graphics, 3D structure scan, because I am waiting for battery tender to finally come out with the battery. Any day now, they keep on telling me. I do love the Echo Sounder though, really nice. Okay, next thing, rod holders. Plugs in there. It has a ball with the ram rod holder on it. Clip it on the ring for security. And on this side, I put my downrigger. It also gets the security. Next we have the pliers. Standard size fish pliers and Leatherman pliers, which gets securely hooked on. Now it's starting to look like a fishing boat. My two outriggers. This is what I like about my carding. Everything straps into the boat. The boat doesn't strap onto the things. You just take it in, stretch it, on, clipped on, position it, done. Inside my storage compartment, on one quart of milk jug cut down. You know why. Finally found the purpose for this cup holder here. It's perfect for it. Don't forget your sun spray, waterproof pants, waterproof jacket, and windsock. Now at this point, before I tow it back in, I like to hook it up. Did you ever wax a boat having to back it up and the boat leaves without you? Well, it happens too many times with me. Okay, we're finished here. Take out the hatch. Plug in the iPad, turn on the power. Put the charger. In the meantime, we'll put on the stereo system, speakers. That's where the Hobie sail goes. And I even have power going to it. Pick up, unlock. Excuse me. Okay, we do have tunes. Here's my anchor trolleys with my Downrigger clips. My Downrigger gets secured on the same line. This way I can throw it out. And at the same time, I connect the line to get a low entry to the water. This way it's not skipping on top of the water, unless you want it to do that. Okay. Nothing different here. We got the oars. Interior lights. That's bottom lights. Outside lights. 3D. Ah, yes. How you doing? Sure, I'll be right with you.
Keep my boat up so it doesn't hit the wall.
Oh. Yeah, can't forget the flag. They already had the flag up and bass boats almost hit me. So, even with the flag, accidents still happen. Okay. That's on. If I was going at nighttime, I would have it plugged in. Now for the seat. NRS location. I like that one. Paddles, which also get clipped to the front. No, Joel. All my lures, suntan lotion don't need, fish finder, stereo, pins, we're good. We've got transducer mount on the bottom. You'll see what I have to deal with, but I found it a pretty good way around it. Goes right over. Magic. PVC 3 inches with 2 1.5 inches thick square wood glued and screwed together for strength, and just glued and screwed onto the main rail.